What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today there is a new challenge waiting for me. I don't know if you ever noticed there are something wrong with my back bumper. When I just got this car for like a month, I have a friend drive my car on the highway and we got into a car accident. The car in front of us and behind us all got crashed. Pretty badly. But fortunately, my car, which stuck in the middle, are in an okay condition. The only mark left from that car accident was my back bumper. Recently, I've actually been thinking of remove my back bumper. But while I'm doing research of all different type of back bumper, I actually saw some videos that teaching you how to repair your back bumper. So I'm thinking maybe I should try to repair it first. If that challenge failed, I have a better reason to buy a new bumper. And if it's success, I might be able to keep that bumper a little longer, and I also learned something new. Seems like I have nothing to lose either way. So that's the challenge for today. I am going to repair the back bumper by myself. Since I've never done that before, I'm not sure if I'm gonna succeed. But as I said, I have nothing to lose. So let's get to work. This is how my bumper look right now. The dent seems pretty bad, especially the bottom part. To fix it, I'm firstly going to drill a screw at where the dent is. And then slowly heat around the dent with a heat gun. After heating for a while, try to pull the screw out, and hopefully it will take the surrounding area with it. The heating process can take around a minute. And then I just pull the screw out. Then we move to the corner and try to fix the other dent. Same process. Put a screw inside and heat it up. And pull the screw out. This one actually works surprisingly well. One hole is not enough to fix the whole top part, so I keep working on it. Now looking at it from the top part is already much better. Moving on to the difficult part. It's moving a little bit, but when I try to use a little strength, the screw came out. I just want to give it another try. And the same result. This time I changed my strategy and drill from the side. But the situation stays the same. It moves a little bit and then the screw came out. Second try.
still not working. Then I move back to the front and drill another hole at the corner. This time I made another mistake. While I heat it up, I actually heat it up around the screws. So when I tried to pull the screw out, the surrounding area became too soft, and it's not strong enough to support it. I keep heating up the surrounding area, but again, not working. Now I give up on the bottom part. I'm using this product to fill the hole. They have two different chemicals inside. I first need to mix them up and then apply it to where the hole is. After it completely dried, I took a sandpaper and start to remove the extra part. That's how it looked before. I think we improved a little bit, right?
Well, it's actually already 2 days since I first tried to repair the dent on my back bumper. I spent yesterday trying to figure it out and it didn't work out, so today I continue to try it. But still I can't get it all fixed. But I did learn a lot from this process, and I did get the top part of it kind of fixed, although I probably won't try it again and I might still need a new bumper anyway. I think there are some dents that can be fixed in this way, but the situation with the bottom of my bumper is I think it got pushed inside. At the same time, maybe because of the crash, it kind of melted a little bit, so a few layers of the bumper got melted together, so I can't just fix it with a simple way.
If you have any suggestion for me, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like that. I'll see you in the next video.